Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the wallpaper to your screen, check resolution and aspect ratio, then pick a high-quality image or short video. Once done, move your chosen files into a single folder so you don't hunt for them later. Make sure to back up the current desktop background settings in system or third-party apps. This avoids losing a preferred setup. Do this now, don't delay, because correct dimensions and organized files prevent scaling issues and wasted time. Next, install any wallpaper manager you need or open built-in display settings to assign the image. You'll choose scaling modes, fill, fit, stretch, to control how the image maps to pixels, and you'll set multi-monitor placement if you run more than one screen. Once the tool is active, test placements and tweak color profile or dark mode interactions so icons remain readable. If you want rotation, configure a timed slideshow. Otherwise, finally, lock the layout and save settings. Make the wallpaper app run at startup so your custom background persists. If a live wallpaper won't play or you see black bars, check GPU scaling and the file format. Some apps need MP4 or WebM, not GIF. Also confirm the app has permission to run in the background and isn't blocked by battery saver. If problems continue, restart the app, reapply the image, and verify display drivers are up to date. That usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.